Deep beneath the sun-scorched soils of East Africa lives a creature that challenges everything we know about mammals. Often called the world's ugliest mammal, the naked mole rat is a wrinkly, pink, nearly hairless rodent with huge protruding teeth. But its odd appearance hides some of nature's most profound secrets. Secrets that could one day change human lives. The naked mole rat, or I, is a master of adaptation, thriving in one of the harshest environments on Earth. It feels almost no pain, can survive with little oxygen, and lives astonishingly long for its size. Its strange features are not flaws, but evolutionary tools, honed for survival in a world without light. Its sausage-shaped body and powerful outward-facing teeth are perfect for digging and navigating tight tunnels. Every oddity tells a story of survival in a dark, underground kingdom. The naked mole rat challenges our ideas of what a mammal can be, forcing us to rethink the limits of biology. Overlooked and misunderstood, it's a biological superstar, holding keys to longevity and disease resistance. This is one of the most fascinating animals on our planet, a true wonder of the natural world. Our journey into its world is a journey into the unexpected. The naked mole rat's entire life unfolds in a vast network of underground tunnels across East Africa. These burrows are more than passageways. They're a self-contained world, with chambers for nesting, raising young, and even toilets. The tunnels protect the colony from predators and the harsh climate above. Life underground is demanding. The air is stale, oxygen is low, and carbon dioxide is high. To survive, the naked mole rat has evolved a slow metabolism and can even enter a suspended animation when oxygen drops. Workers use their massive incisors to dig, passing loosened dirt back in a chain until it's expelled to the surface. They never forage above ground, instead searching for underground tubers and roots for food and moisture. The burrow's temperature stays constant, shielding the colony from extreme heat and cold. Naked mole rats are essentially cold-blooded mammals, unable to regulate their own body temperature. They huddle together to share warmth, relying on each other for survival. This hidden world is a masterclass in cooperation and adaptation. Their society thrives where few others could survive. The naked mole rat's underground city is a marvel of nature's engineering. The naked mole rat's anatomy is shaped by its underground life. Its loose, wrinkly skin lets it squeeze through tight tunnels and turn around with ease. Lacking a key neurotransmitter, it feels little pain, even from acid. Its huge, ever-growing incisors are outside its lips, perfect for digging without swallowing dirt. Tiny, nearly useless eyes are replaced by a keen sense of smell and touch, using sensitive whiskers to navigate. Its long, cylindrical body and stubby legs allow it to move quickly, even backwards. Without insulating fat, it can't regulate its own temperature, making it unique among mammals. No external ears, just small openings, keep soil out. Its lungs and blood are adapted for low oxygen environments, maximizing every breath. Every feature is a survival tool, stripped down to essentials. The naked mole rat is a masterpiece of functional design. The naked mole rat's social structure is one of the rarest among mammals. Eusociality, like ants or bees. At the top is a single queen, the only female who reproduces, supported by 1 to 3 breeding males. The queen's dominance and hormones suppress reproduction in other females. The rest, up to 300, are sterile workers, dedicated to the colony's survival. Workers are divided by size and age. Smaller ones dig, gather food, and care for pups. Larger ones become soldiers, defending against snakes and rival colonies. Their cooperation is seamless, the colony functioning as a single superorganism. This rigid social system is a brilliant evolutionary solution to life underground. The queen's role is vital, producing large litters several times a year. Soldiers rush to defend breaches, using their powerful teeth as weapons. This insect-like society is a rare example of convergent evolution in mammals. The naked mole rat's colony is a triumph of teamwork and adaptation. It's a mammalian society unlike any other. The naked mole rat is nearly immune to cancer, a feat almost unheard of in mammals. Its secret lies in a unique molecule, high-molecular-mass hyaluronan, or HMW-HA, which makes their skin elastic and their tissues sensitive to overcrowding. When cells multiply too quickly, HMW-HA halts their growth, acting as an emergency brake against tumors. If a cell turns cancerous, HMW-HA triggers its self-destruction. Their cells also excel at clearing out damaged proteins, maintaining stability and function. This combination creates a multi-layered defense system against disease. Even as they age, naked mole rats rarely develop cancer. Their biology is a blueprint for disease resistance. Scientists are eager to unlock these secrets for human health. The naked mole rat is a fortress against illness. The naked mole rat is a champion of longevity, living over 30 years, 10 times longer than similar-sized rodents. They show negligible senescence, meaning they barely age at all. An old naked mole rat is as healthy and active as a young one, remaining fertile and disease-free for decades. Their slow metabolism reduces cellular wear and tear, producing fewer harmful byproducts. This slow-lane lifestyle preserves their bodies in a state of youthful vitality. Their cells excel at DNA repair and protein maintenance, protecting against mutations and aging. They don't just live longer, they live better, free from age-related diseases. The naked mole rat is living proof that aging isn't inevitable. Their biology offers clues to extending not just lifespan, but health span. Scientists study them to unlock the secrets of healthy aging. The naked mole rat is a living laboratory for longevity. It redefines what's possible for mammals. The naked mole rat stands apart from all other mammals. Unlike most, it's cold-blooded, adopting the temperature of its surroundings and huddling for warmth. Its insect-like eusociality, with a queen and sterile workers, is almost unheard of in mammals. Its pain resistance, especially to acid and capsaicin, is a rare evolutionary adaptation. Most strikingly, it combines extreme longevity and cancer resistance in a tiny rodent body. Where small animals usually live short lives, the naked mole rat breaks the rules. It's a living paradox, forging its own evolutionary path. The naked mole rat is one of the most bizarre and fascinating creatures on Earth. Once dismissed for its looks, the naked mole rat is now a beacon for science and medicine. Its biology offers hope for tackling cancer, aging, and pain in humans. Studying its unique traits could inspire revolutionary treatments and prevention strategies. HMW-HA research may lead to new ways to stop tumors before they start. Their secrets of longevity could help us extend our healthy years, not just our lifespan. The naked mole rat reminds us that every species holds unique solutions to life's challenges. By protecting biodiversity, we invest in our own future health. The world's ugliest mammal may hold the key to a healthier, longer life for us all.